Hey guys, check this out. This is a 2002 Subaru Forester. One of my good customers brought to me to install a Compustar remote starter alarm. So we installed the T10 with alarm starter and also turbo timer feature, which he doesn't know. He's gonna be picking up right away, but he doesn't know. This car is sweet. Very, very, very nice car. Right-hand drive, JDM. It's only got 60,000 kilometers on it. But here, I'll show you how the starter alarm works on this beast. So pretty neat vehicle. I'll show you how new this thing is. It's only got 60K on it. It's so new that it still has the blue sticker over top of the Forester logo. It is beautiful. Very nice ride. Very, very nice ride.